Hello again, my beautiful English learners. Welcome back. It's day 4 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. I'm Clara, and I am just so happy you're here with me today. If you're listening to this right now, you're in the home stretch. Day 4. Most people quit after the first day of trying something new, but not you. You're still here, you're showing up for yourself, and honestly, that is huge. Let's do a quick recap. Day 1, we took action. Day 2, we built consistency. Remember, we watered our garden. And day 3, we learned to embrace our mistakes. Kind of like a GPS recalculating. So today, on day 4, we're going to focus on the other half of the speaking equation, listening. Have you ever watched an orchestra before a big concert? Before they play a single beautiful song, they all tune their instruments, right? The violinist doesn't just start playing. She plucks a string, listens very closely, and adjusts. She basically uses her ears to tune her hands. When you're learning to speak English, your ears are the tuner, and your voice is the instrument. You simply cannot have beautiful output without high-quality input. When you listen to English, the rhythm, the melody, the natural pauses, your brain is quietly tuning your instrument. That's exactly why shadowing works so well. You aren't just reading words on a page. You're actually tuning your voice to the music of the language. So today, as we practice, I want you to really open your ears before you open your mouth. Let's get right into it. I'll speak the sentence, and during the pause, you repeat out loud. Focus on the melody of my voice. Ready? Let's go. I listen closely to the rhythm of English. Let's do that again. I listen closely to the rhythm of English. Beautiful. Next one. My ears guide my voice. Once more. My ears guide my voice. Great job. I absorb English like a sponge. I absorb English like a sponge. You're doing perfectly. Every time I listen, speaking becomes easier. Every time I listen, speaking becomes easier. Nice. I speak clearly and naturally. I speak clearly and naturally. Brilliant. I pay attention to the melody of the language. I pay attention to the melody of the language. Awesome. My brain is tuning into English every day. My brain is tuning into English every day. Excellent. I trust my ability to understand and be understood. I trust my ability to understand and be understood. Almost done. I enjoy the sounds of the English language. I enjoy the sounds of the English language. And the final one for today, my listening and speaking are working together. My listening and speaking are working together. Wow! Take a deep breath. You just finished day 4. You're doing such an incredible job tuning your instrument. Your homework is the same as always. Sometime later today, replay this episode. Do the shadowing one more time. But the second time, close your eyes. Really focus entirely on the sound and rhythm before you speak. Now, here's a little question I'd like you to think about before our final session tomorrow. If English were a genre of music, what would it sound like to you? Is it a fast pop song, a smooth jazz tune, or maybe a classical symphony? Think about that melody today. Keep tuning your instrument. Keep using your voice. And I will see you tomorrow for our grand finale, day 5.